if we talk about the context on which we are going to learn about the citizenship is here. So recently 108 migrants from Pakistan were awarded citizenship of India. So ये जो recently 108 पाकिस्तान migrants को जो citizenship दिया गया है, ये जनरली हमारे इंडियन स्टेट गुजरात में हुआ और स्टेट होम मिनिस्टर हर्ष सांघवी ने दिया. If we talk about some important legal provision regarding citizenship of India, जो ये है, आइए समझते हैं क्या है. Registration of citizen of India and grant of certificate of naturalization is mentioned under section 5 and 6 of the Citizenship Act 1955. जो section 5 and 6 अभी हमने पिछली स्लाइड पे देखा था, ये applicable कहाँ है? So these provisions are applicable of any person belonging to minority community from 3 important country, अफगानिस्तान, बांग्लादेश एंड पाकिस्तान. इसी के कॉन्टेक्स्ट में गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया ने 2019 में सिटीजनशिप एक्ट 1955 को अमेंड किया था और कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट प्रोविजन ऐड किए गए थे. तो लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट आर दोज इंपॉर्टेंट प्रोविजंस. सो अंडर सिटीजनशिप अमेंडमेंट एक्ट 2019, actually it has relaxed the provision of 11 year to 5 year for the person belonging to Hindus, Sikhs, Buddhists, Jains, Parsi and Christians from Afghanistan, Bangladesh and Pakistan. Let's understand some other very important provision with respect to citizenship of India. अगर हम बात करें क्राइटेरिया की सिटीजनशिप के अंदर, तो हमारे पास 4 इंपॉर्टेंट क्राइटेरिया हैं जो कि कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन के अंदर मेंशन किया गया है. तो कौन से 4 इंपॉर्टेंट क्राइटेरिया है? सो लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड. फर्स्ट, बाय एनी पर्सन कैन गेट द सिटीजनशिप ऑफ इंडिया बाय बर्थ, बाय डेसेंट्स, बाय नेचुरलाइजेशन एंड बाय रजिस्ट्रेशन. सो ये 4 बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट क्राइटेरिया है अगर हम बात करते हैं सिटीजनशिप प्रोविजंस की. इंडियन सिटीजनशिप कैन बी एक्वायर्ड बाय बर्थ, डेसेंट्स, रजिस्ट्रेशन and naturalization. When we talk about constitutional provision regarding citizenship of India, so we have Article 5, Article 6, Article 7 and Article 8. Basically these articles provide provisions regarding who will be the citizenship of India at the commencement of the Constitution of India. So let's understand some of the very important constitutional provision regarding citizenship. As we have already discussed some of the important article with respect to the citizenship of India, so these important provisions are being mentioned under the part 2. Remember, part 2 of the Constitution of India under Article 5 to 11. So these are very important provision with respect to citizenship. So let's have a quick glance over these important articles. Article 5 provided for citizenship on commencement of the Constitution. Article 6 provided rights of citizenship of certain person who have migrated to India from Pakistan. So remember, this is very important provision. Article 7 की अगर हम बात करें तो it provided rights of citizenship of certain migrant to Pakistan. अगर हम Article 90 की बात करें तो it provided rights of citizenship of certain person of Indian origin residing in India. Talk about rights of citizenship of certain person of Indian origin residing outside of India, जो कि हम बोलते हैं NRI, OCI, PIO, non resident of India, overseas citizen of India, person of Indian origin. Article 9 की अगर हम बात करें तो it provided that if any person who voluntarily acquired the citizenship of foreign state will no longer be a citizen of India. So this is very important provisions. It means that if any person acquired the foreign citizenship, then he or she will not remain the Indian citizen. So this is important provision. आर्टिकल 10 की अगर बात करें तो ये बात करता है कंटिन्यूएंस ऑफ द राइट्स ऑफ सिटीजनशिप. बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट आर्टिकल आर्टिकल 11 की बात करें जो कहता है when it's come to regulation of citizenship, it is the Parliament of India that has the only responsibility to deal with the provision and regulation of citizenship in context of India. So these were some important constitutional provision with respect to citizenship of India. अपनी फ्री काउंसलिंग बुक करने के लिए आप हमसे जुड़ सकते हैं व्हाट्सएप के थ्रू जो 9625350287